and welcome to our channel IFCG, where we make learning fun and easy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more enriching content. Today, we are focusing on anecdote. Let's uncover its charm together. Anecdote refers to a short, amusing, or interesting story about a real incident or person, often used to illustrate or emphasize a point in conversation or writing. It's a brief narrative that highlights a particular experience or event. If you're looking for synonyms to spice up your storytelling, here are a few alternatives to anecdote. Number 1, story. Number 2, tale. Number 3, narrative. Number 4, account. And number 5, episode. Want to improve your everyday conversation skills with the word anecdote? Here are a few sentences. First, she shared a funny anecdote about her childhood at the party. Second, the speaker used anecdotes to illustrate her points during the presentation. Third, Grandpa always has a delightful anecdote to share during family gatherings. Fourth, the book is filled with heartwarming anecdotes from the author's travels. And fifth, his speech was peppered with amusing anecdotes from his time in college. Now, let's also explore a famous idiom related to anecdote. The proof of the pudding is in the eating. This idiom emphasizes that the true value or quality of something can only be judged when it is put to use or tested. And that's a wrap for today's word anecdote. Don't miss out on subscribing to our channel for more exciting new words. Thank you for joining us and keep up the good work in your learning journey. Also, a bonus tip. Some people pronounce this word as anecdote. It is not anecdote, it is anecdote. Thank you. Bye-bye.